are not lazy. The fact that we've been quiet doesn't mean we do not know our rights. We want to secure the north. We want Mr. President to do everything he said when he was coming into power. We are not lazy. We are not going to stand down. We cannot be bullied. We shall put our rights out here. No, we cannot be bullied. Abuja Road, Kaduna Road, it is not secure. We are all scared. We are scared. We are scared of traveling. You travel and bandits kidnap you on the road. People who do not even have ransom, who earn less than $100 every month, they kidnap their families, their children, and expect them to pay millions of naira. Where are they meant to get it from? We are scared to travel. No jobs. No jobs. I have graduated for the past 5 years and there is no job. You have to pay to get jobs. Is this the country we want for our future? No. This is not the country I want for my children. I want a better Nigeria. Yes. I want my Nigeria to be like Dubai. Yes. Why is it that the politicians are sending their children out to study? Why can't they come to ABU and study with us? Is it that ABU is not good enough? Why? They are sick and they fly outside to go to other hospitals. Why? They should stay here in Nigeria. Make Nigeria a better place. That is what I want. I want a better future and it starts today. We are not backing down. We will continue until our rights are met. We do not want audio ending of SARS. We want to see actions on live TV. We want to see actions. Thank you.
Is this government? This is not government. This is a rip-off. We are not begging for food. We are not begging for road. We are not begging for light. We are begging to stay alive.